During maintenance or inspection of junction boxes, safety is extremely important. To inspect or replace breakers, we'll need the proper tools. Our hands. Begin by unscrewing the panel and letting it fall off. Next, we'll inspect the connections and make sure the power is off. We can do this with another important tool, our hands. Firstly, check to make sure the wires are making good electrical contact. Secondly, we verify that the power is off. For this, we use another tool, our hands. Lick your fingers to ensure good electrical conductivity. Place your testing probe on each electrical contact. For good measure, try all three at once. If you've survived this long into the demo, the power is most likely disconnected and it is safe to conduct maintenance.